Good day po sa lahat, si Fiscal EJ po ito. Kung pagbabasehan natin ang Facebook post ni Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, malinaw ang claim niya. Sabi niya, ang pagnakaw daw ng flood control funds ay isang crime against humanity. Saklaw daw ito ng ICC. At first glance, parang pang breaking news headline. Pero sa legal reality, this statement doesn't hold water. This is completely wrong. Let's break it down. Unang punto, under Philippine law, specifically Republic Act 9851 or the Philippine Act on Crimes Against International Humanitarian Law, Genocide and Other Crimes Against Humanity, hindi po kasama ang plunder o corruption. Section 6 of the said law only lists acts like murder, extermination, enslavement, torture, rape, persecution, enforced disappearance, apartheid at iba pang comparable inhumane acts. So malinaw, plunder is punished under RA 7080, graft under RA 3019. Hindi po sila crimes against humanity. Pangalawang punto, even under international law, specifically the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, ganun pa rin ang definition. Article 7 of the Rome Statute is crystal clear. Crimes against humanity are acts na may direct severe harm sa civilians, like killings, disappearances, torture, rape, at persecution. Yung phrase na other inhumane acts has been interpreted very narrowly. Kaya kahit bilyon-bilyon pa ang corruption, hindi siya papasok dito. Sakit sa bulsa, oo, pero sa ICC, hindi siya counted. Pangatlong punto, ang problema kay Attorney Bondoc, he said it like it's already a legal fact. Sabi niya, saklaw yan ng ICC. Pero nung binati ko siya, biglang nag-shift gear. Sabi niya, evolving concept daw. Pero klaruhin natin, kahit pa may historical evolution, ang operative at current definition under RA 9851 and the Rome Statute is fixed. Hindi pwedeng dagdag-bawas depende sa opinion o sa status update mo sa Facebook. Pang-apat na punto, at best, rhetorical statement lang talaga siya. To be fair, massive corruption feels like a crime against humanity kasi nga, grabe talaga ang epekto sa taong bayan. Pero let's be precise dahil mga abogado tayo. That's just a legal metaphor, not a legal reality. Sa batas, plunder is plunder, graft is graft, period. Hindi po siya crimes against humanity. So ano ang bottom line dito? Attorney Jimmy Bondoc's statement is legally inaccurate po. Ang pagnanakaw ng flood control funds ay hindi saklaw ng ICC, hindi pasok sa RA 9851 at hindi rin covered ng Rome Statute. Kung gusto niyang baguhin ang definition, that belongs in a policy debate, not in a Facebook post. Until the law itself changes, calling corruption or plunder a crime against humanity is simply legally misleading. So yan lang po ang nais kong ibahagi today and see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po.